Let's make one of my favorite tea. Here, I have some fresh organic green tea here. That's what it looked like. So I'm going to take you through the process of how to make lovely fresh green tea, and I'm going to add a ginseng leaf to it, dry ginseng leaf. So I'm going to add about a spoon. So guys, if it's the first time you're watching this channel, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and leave positive comment. So I'm going to start off with about a cup and a half of water. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. This tea is very healthy. It's good to help build up your immune system, speed up your metabolism, and keep you hydrated throughout the day. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to add some lemon zest to it. So I'm going to add some lemon zest in it. I'm going to add half of lemon.